Welcome to Lingua Meeting. The first step on your journey with us is filling out the coaching form. The form is compiled of 5 steps, where we will be asking you a series of general course information in order to register your course. Let's get started. Enter linguameeting.com/login. New users should select Register. Fill in the instructor's details. The information you provide will be used to create your profile with us. Confirm all details are correct and select Yes to register. Activate your account through your email and then return to the login page to get started. Users with an active account should log in and then select Coaching Form on the left side toolbar of their dashboard. To start a new coaching form, select your school from the list, then select Click New Course. School information. Add the term and year of your Lingua Meeting course, including the academic holidays. Holidays refer to an off day in the academic calendar. For example, Labor Day, fall break, MLK, etc. Add Lingua Meeting experiences. We offer virtual tours across the world where coaches host a live event with students. Add this opportunity into your course package to allow students to explore the world in their target language. Course information. Add in an academic course title, session type, small group or one-on-one, number of sessions, duration of session between 15, 30, or 45 minutes, select your language, and select if you are a Lingual Learning user. Makeup sessions. Lingua Meeting offers 1 complimentary session for each student. In addition to our complimentary session, professors may allow students to purchase extra. Select your coaching weeks. Select the coaching weeks for each session. We suggest sessions begin 2 to 3 weeks after the first day of class and finish a week prior to the academic course end date. The makeup week refers to an additional week outside of the regular coaching week selected to ensure students are able to complete all makeup sessions required. Along with this additional week, students may schedule makeup sessions at any time during the semester. Set course section information. Select the instructor's email, section title, and add expected students per section. Click here to add a new section in the course. Once complete adding all sections into the course, select Finish. The very last step is to ensure all information on the course summary generated is correct. You may download this course summary by clicking here or add in a new course. Instructors will receive an email with next steps, including student registration instructions, which you should share with your students in the beginning of the semester. Thank you for watching and welcome to Lingua Meeting.